used to days. You and me. We used to days. You and me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oban. If you're new here, welcome, sweetheart. So this is the beginning of my travel vlog. I'm about heading out because I have like a content to create and I have to, use a better location. So I'm going to travel all the way from that place, the new location, which you would see. Then we're going to talk about a lot of things when I get there. But for now, welcome to a new vlog. Hi guys, so okay, I'm at the location now and I'll be creating content. I'm creating content for someone actually, plus I just want to do a mini unboxing because I got some stuff. Still my birthday gift. I got some stuff and I really needed all the stuff that I got. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. This is a tripod. I've been wanting a tripod because my last vlog I really went through a lot and it wasn't funny. So came with this. Yeah. So I won't have to stress myself anymore because I can't carry this long tripod everywhere I go. So it came with another remote shutter for me again. So I have like two now. And this is so cute. I love it. So over here is a mic. It's just like what I put in my vision board. Yes, just like what I put in my vision board. So yeah, so cute. And it's so small. So I need this to like talk to you guys and enhance the sound. Yeah, that's how it is. And then the last one, a power bank. Very necessary. Very necessary. I really need a power bank because the place, the bush, the jungle that I'm going to, the power supply there is always bad. So this power bank is big enough to, help me. Yeah, and came with the charger. So basically that's just it. Plus, if you take a look at me, do you notice anything different? Okay, so I made my hair and then I don't know what's all this stuff coming off my face. Anyways, I'll be creating content tomorrow. I'm making a video tomorrow and basically that's just it. And I'm so grateful for my gifts. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much for the gift and I'm really grateful to God. So there'll be so many unboxing on this channel and let's set the mic now. Okay, so this is so cute and I love it. Yeah, this is so cute. This is so cute. So I need to go get work done Then I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Sorry, I couldn't get my mic, so you're hearing a lot of noise. Right now we're at Lokoja and yeah, we're almost there. Right? Hey guys! Okay, so welcome to the trenches. We're back in trenches. So I just arrived and my journey was smooth. We'll talk about it when I'm done cleaning. Right now I want to clean up this whole space because I'm breathing in dust. Bye. Guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm tired. I'm so exhausted and I'm in school, so I cleaned up some parts and left some parts to my roommate. She's going to do that. Yeah, so I have a roommate and you're going to meet her, plus I'll actually do a mini room tour for you guys when I'm ready. But the good thing is it good now? We are back to the trenches. It's a good day living in the trenches. So I met a lot of things in good conditions, like the provision. Rats did not go close to that place, and that was one of the most amazing things we saw today. And I was happy, excited, cause yay! For the first time in a long time. Yeah, so I was meant to start this vlog by telling you guys I was about leaving in the morning, but my phone just went off and I don't know why, and that was painful because I was supposed to do something. Then I was already in the cab when I tried turning it on again, and it came on, and the rest is history. Here we are saying we're sorry about that. So I think we are done with this vlog. I know this is not going to come out as I want it to be, but we're gonna manage it. I need to manage it like this because right now my voice is cracked and I'm so tired, and I don't even know how well this camera is being placed because it's looking like I'm bent one kind. Okay, so I want to sleep. My eyes feel like they belong to someone else, obviously. And good news, we're back to the trenches, and Expect more of this. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Not my best, but I hope you guys enjoyed it because I did at some point. And I had an experience while I was holding this. I was a bit shy. It was my first time holding a phone on a tripod, doing a vlog, carrying a ring light, and everybody was looking at me like I came from the zoo. Yeah, but that was an amazing one, and I look forward to doing more vlogs. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Do not forget to comment down below if this vlog was interesting to you. So see you guys on another video, and if this is your first time of seeing this amazingness, please do not make it your last. Click on the subscribe button, and comment down below I just subscribed. I love you guys so much. God, listen to me. Bye.